Alright, let's cut through the hype. Is the Thrustmaster T98 Ferrari 296 GTB racing wheel the real deal, or are you getting scammed? I've put it through the paces, and here's what actually matters for casual gamers. First off, it's officially licensed by Ferrari and PlayStation, or Xbox, depending on your flavor. This isn't some knockoff with a fancy badge. Out of the box, it's got a surprisingly solid build, even though it's mostly plastic. Reviewers and real users agree. It feels way sturdier than you'd expect for the price. Setup? Easy. Plug and play, no tools, and the desk clamp is basically foolproof. It's perfect if you're just starting out or want something the whole family can use without a headache. Now props where it's due. Those pedals. They use premium HEART magnetic sensors. Yep, the tech you'd find in way pricier gear. You get sharp, consistent response every time you brake or accelerate. And let's be honest, the wheel just looks cool. It's a 7:10 scale replica of the Ferrari 296 GTB, with faux carbon accents and those satisfying paddle shifters. It feels like you're driving something special. But here's the reality check. There's no force feedback. Instead, it's got a basic bungee cord system. That means no road feel, no rumble, none of that I'm really in the car immersion. If you're dreaming of serious sim racing, this is a deal breaker. Rotation is limited to 240 degrees. That's way less than high-end wheels, so precision control in some games just isn't there. The pedals? They'll slide around on smooth floors unless you DIY some grip. And the buttons need a good firm press. Don't expect featherlight taps to register. Bottom line. The T98 Ferrari isn't a scam. It's a fun, honest entry-level wheel for casual gamers or young beginners. If you want Ferrari vibes on a budget, it's a solid pick.